Part 1. Introduction to AI coding tools. Ever dreamed of writing code as effortlessly as you write a text message? Thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence, that dream is becoming a reality. AI coding tools are designed to assist programmers by automating repetitive tasks, generating code, and even suggesting improvements. Let's dive into the top 5 AI tools that are revolutionizing the way we code. Part 2. GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI Codex, is one of the most popular AI coding assistants. It suggests code completions in real time as you type, based on your existing code and comments. By understanding the context of your code, Copilot can help you write code faster and more accurately. Part 3. Tabnine. Tabnine is another powerful AI code completion tool that supports a wide range of programming languages. It uses machine learning to learn from your coding patterns and suggest relevant code snippets. Tabnine can also help you discover new coding techniques and improve your coding style. Part 4. Amazon Code Whisperer. Amazon Code Whisperer is an AI coding tool that provides real-time suggestions for code generation and debugging. It's integrated with popular IDEs like Visual Studio Code and can generate code for various programming languages. Code Whisperer is particularly useful for developers building applications on AWS. Part 5. DeepCode. DeepCode is an AI-powered code analysis tool that helps you find and fix bugs in your code. It uses machine learning to identify potential vulnerabilities and suggest improvements. By using DeepCode, you can write more secure and reliable code. Part 6. Kite. Kite is another AI-powered coding assistant that provides intelligent code completions and documentation. It supports a wide range of programming languages and integrates seamlessly with popular code editors. Kite can also help you learn new programming concepts by providing explanations and examples. Part 7. The future of AI coding tools. AI coding tools are rapidly evolving, and we can expect to see even more advanced features in the future. These tools have the potential to revolutionize the way we develop software, making it faster, easier, and more accessible to everyone. While AI coding tools are incredibly powerful, it's important to remember that they are a tool to assist programmers, not replace them.